Working with a Stratasys industrial 3D printer and need to inspect a GC1 print job file? These are the proprietary print job files used by Stratasys FDM printers in professional environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and process these Stratasys 3D print files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for GC1 file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. Users encounter GC1 files when preparing 3D models for printing with Stratasys machines. They are searching for how to open, view, and modify the print job settings, such as tray layout, material selection, and slicer parameters, before sending the final instructions to the 3D printer. The GC1 format is a proprietary container designed by GrabCAD to bundle all necessary project data. It uses a binary structure to efficiently store 3D model geometry, printer-specific configurations, tray arrangements, and slicing instructions, ensuring a complete and self-contained print job package for reliable output. For direct reading of GC1 content, the best choice is GrabCAD Print developed by Stratasys. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows can't interpret their full geometry, so thorough review must be done in dedicated 3D software. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your GC1 file and choose Open With. Test with GrabCAD Print first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If the GC1 file won't open, don't panic. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the GC1 error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, opening with GrabCAD Print. Install Stratasys GrabCAD Print software, the primary tool for managing Stratasys print jobs. Open the GC1 file to view print preview layer-by-layer toolpaths, estimated print time material usage, and build orientation. From here, you can send the job directly to a connected Stratasys printer. Next, using Insight software. Stratasys. Insight software provides advanced control over GC1 files for professional FDM workflows. Open the GC1 to modify support structures, slice parameters, and toolpath generation settings before printing. Insight is required for high-end Fortis and Stratasys F-Series production machines. Finally, sending to printer. Once the GC1 file is loaded and verified, send the print job to your Stratasys printer over the network or via USB through GrabCAD Print. Monitor the job in the printer queue and start the print when the machine is ready with the appropriate material loaded and build chamber prepared. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.